On today's breaking news, that is the Communication Authority of Kenya has suspended all live coverage of the Maandamano today. Let me just read the statement. It says live coverage of the demonstration. That is, reference is made to the above subject matter. The live coverage of the 25th June 2025 demonstration, contrary to Article 32 sub-article 2 and 34 sub-article 1 of the Kenyan Constitution and the section of 461 of the Kenya Information and Communication Act of 1998. This is therefore to direct all televisions and radio stations to stop any live coverage of the protest forthwith. Failure to abide by this directive, it will result into what you're calling as mandatory various regulatory action as stipulated by the Kenya Information and Communication Act of 1998. The authority look forward to your continued cooperation. That is the reason why you've not been seeing the live coverage since 12 p.m. So the Communication Authority of Kenya has given that directive, and most TVs have abided by that particular direction. Although KTN has taken the matter to court through their lawyers. Let us see how the matter unfolds.